Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to talk about State Bank of India. Today only the quarterly results are out, so we'll go through the result. The latest closing is 530.30. So let's talk about the result. So if you look at the result, the results are really good where they have beaten the estimate and the profit surged to 62% year on year basis. So last year it was 5,196.22 crore for the last year profit, and whereas ET now they estimated that it will come to 8,200 crore profit, but it has beaten the estimation and it rose to 8,431.88 crore, which is 62.26% year on year basis hike. Okay, the interest earned over here are also rose to 4.41% to 69,678 crore, whereas last year it was lesser, 66,734 crore. The net interest income also rose by 6.48% year on year basis. Along with that, net interest margin also rose 6 basis point to 3.4%. In the last quarter it was 3.34%. Slippage over here, they have mentioned that it stood to 2,334 crore, which is kind of little negative thing. But along with that, overall restructuring for the COVID 1 and 2, it stood to 32,895 crore, which was 1.2% of total advance. The bank has said the personal retail segment is driving by, they are saying there is a strong growth in both personal retail segment along with the corporate SME segment. The deposit rose to 8.83% year on year basis. Along with that, the gross advances rose to 8.47%. Retail personal advances were also up by 14.57% year on year basis. The gross NPA stood 4.5%. This is really good because if the non-performing assets are lower over here, that is a good for a bank. Last year here it was 4.77%, whereas last quarter it was 4.9%, and now it has came to the lower level, that is 4.5%, which is a really good thing for a SBI. The non-interest income here fell to 6.9% year on year basis. The forex income also came down to 21%. Miscellaneous income was down 17%, and profit and loss on sale investment also down by 46.45% year on year basis, whereas fee income that has grown to 7.45% to 5,747 crore. Overall, the SBI Q3 results are really good. It has beaten the estimate of the analyst, and that's what we can see it in our chart. So let's have a look at the chart. So if you look at this chart, we are almost at 52-week high. Okay, and along with our budget, which is announced by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, the budget is growth based. So we are focusing more on the export, and we are manufacturing companies. So less imports are really good thing for the bank, and this is going to benefit all the banking financial sector also, and SBI is one of the leading bank which will also get benefited over here, and that's what we are seeing in the chart. Now here the resistance line is around 535 over here, and if it breaks the resistance line, it has already broken and it went almost 545, but profit booking is seen over here and it given the closing of 530 here. Okay, if we look at the chart is making a inverse head and shoulder pattern. Inverse head and shoulder pattern is a bullish indicator, and if it breaks the neckline, so here is the neckline over here. Okay, so this is the resistance, and if it breaks the neckline, it may happen like it will come down because there is already a resistance over here. So it may happen like profit booking or selling pressure will come, it may come back and retest the support, but now the neckline which was acting as a resistance here, it will act as a support. So even if the SBI and bank stock fell down over here, we do have a support of 510. So if in case it comes down, it will give a bounce back over here. Now the results are already positive, so from here the chances to fall down is really less, but if in case if it falls down, it is a good opportunity for a new investor to invest in this stock. The next target, what would be the next target? See, the support over here is now 520. This is the resistance trend line, but if you see it has done a consolidation over here. So this has made a base over here, which is almost between 510 to 550 over here. So if it comes down over here, it can give a good bounce back from here, and the uptrend is now on. And if you're holding this stock in your portfolio from mid-term to long term, you can see the high levels of 550, and it can go till 600 also. So this is a really good stock, and this is going to get benefited over the longer time. So if you are holding it in portfolio, I would suggest keep on holding it, because here the chart pattern also indicates the bullish nature over here. If it break and sustain this 52-week high, then a bigger upside can be seen in from mid to long term. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you so much.